All right, so we are here on a GE Café. The door actually came off. Customer's using the unit and it just fell off. So you're gonna have this wire. It's gonna be out. So you gotta make sure that you plug it back in. It goes up there because chances are it's gonna be off. That's where it goes. Right there, the UI. Sorry, right there. Okay, and then these ground straps right there. Those may be off, and that's where they go. Reconnect them. Now, your door will have 2 pins. Maybe that's why they fell, or maybe they fell out or weren't properly installed. So those pins, they're inserted there and through that hole. This top piece, the top portion of your door, it goes under. That's the hole. So you want to line your door up, and this is going to go in first. Then you'll line your pin. There are 2 pins, and once you have everything lined up top, you will slide your pins in, lock them in, and that will secure holding your door in place. You might need to have someone or something hold this as you put it on. Otherwise it's going to be closing on you and it's kind of a pain. So one hand can do it. It's not a major deal. Just make sure that while you're doing it, you control your pins, that they don't fall out and your wires stay connected. All right, so those are the pins. And so now I'm going to be bringing this door up and inserting it into its house. Yeah, just use anything just to keep the door from closing in on you. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to be inserting the top. See the U type shape, whatever that shape is, and insert that first. And once that is inserted, you can slide the bottom portion in, and then you're going to push the door up. So let's see if we can get this in one shot. Make sure your bottom is also ready to be slid in. And then once everybody is lined up, you'll feel it. The door will basically come together. Here we go. Okay. Now everybody's lined up. So now you're going to push up and that locks it in. Make sure you go all the way up so it grabs. Okay. And the bottom can move now, but you're going to have the pins, these pins, and we're going to insert them down here. I'll show you shortly. And if it drops, just keep pushing it up. Because if it slides down, it won't grab. Beautiful. So one is in. You need to go all the way up. See the hole? When it slides down, it goes out of focus. So make sure it goes all the way up. Okay, we're going to insert the other pin. And you do have tabs, so you want to make sure line the hole. If you can't get it in, it's either your door is too far down, so you gotta raise it up a little more, or sometimes lower your hand a little bit. Either one. All right, that's it. She's in. Nice and clean look. Perfect. And unit is ready for use. Thanks for watching.